Earthquake and engineering. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's tectonic plates move past each other after a large buildup of energy, which is released as seismic waves, causing shaking on the Earth's surface. The actual earthquake itself isn't too dangerous, but rather the effects it causes. The seismic waves released on the Earth's surface causes buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure to experience an acceleration, which can result in structural failure. Structural failure can have detrimental costs, including the loss of life. So what are people doing living in earthquake zones anyway? Regions of frequent earthquakes tend to bring economic rewards, having more fertile soil and abundance of minerals and ores. Plus, getting everyone to move houses would be far too inconvenient. So what can civil engineers do? Civil engineers have come up with multiple ways to reduce the hazards caused by earthquakes. One example of this is a method called base isolation. This works by, instead of building on the foundations, you build on bearings, which consist of a lead core, layers of steel and rubber, as well as steel mounting plates, which all help to reduce the stiffness of the building. So when the ground begins to move, instead of the building moving with the ground, it will only move a little. A good way to understand this is by comparing it to the suspensions in a car. A more common technique is using cross-steel bracing. This gives the building extra strength against lateral movement and dispenses seismic energy to the ground when earthquakes occur. Engineers also use shear walls in conjunction with bracing. Shear walls are walls that are reinforced with metal or timber panels, increasing the wall strength to prevent collapse during earthquakes. A structure can never be 100% earthquake-proof, but a good design can greatly reduce the structural damage and protect the lives of inhabitants. Earthquake engineering is just one of the many ways that engineers improve the quality of living.